Just a brief introduction of this networking project that I've been working on. What I've been doing so far is essentially I created two virtual machines, and my MacBook is hosting a Windows system as well as a Kali Linux system. And the idea behind this is I want to make a network between these three devices and have it in a way where they're able to communicate with each other. And the way that they're going to communicate is by using the ping command. So as you see here, I essentially wrote the command that makes it so it lists every IP address of each device. So for the Kali Linux, this would be the address for it. For the MacBook, this would be the IP address. For the Windows, the IP address would be right here. IPv4 address. I'm going to ping each other in a triangle fashion where Windows is going to ping the Linux system and the Linux system is going to ping the MacBook and the MacBook is going to ping the Windows. So I'm going to start with the Windows. So as you can see here, it was successfully pinged. I sent 4 packages and the receiver received 4 packages and 0% of the packages were lost. I'm going to do the same here where the Kali Linux is going to ping the MacBook. Same exact result happened. Then finally I'm going to end it off with the MacBook pinging the Windows system. So yeah, this shows that I was able to create a network between these 3 devices, and now that they are essentially connected, the next step is to show some type of remote accessing. Essentially what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to have the MacBook operating system remotely access the Kali Linux terminal. And first I needed to ensure that the Kali Linux system had an active port in order to have an SSH connection. Once I was able to open it, I was now able to connect to that port through the MacBook by correctly identifying the IP address followed by entering the password of the Linux system. Once I entered those 2 in, I now have access to the terminal. So just to show proof, I'm going to try to add another directory here. So I'm going to say make directory from the desktop. I want to add a directory called directory from Mac. And once I enter that in, you can see that this appeared when it wasn't there before. So essentially it shows that there is a connection from my MacBook operating system to the Kali Linux system. And this shows that I'm able to remotely access and remotely help people even though I may not be in the same office as them.